Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're a beginner looking to buy your first camera, you've probably heard a lot about Sony and Canon. But how do you know which one is right for you? In today's video, we're going to break down the key features of Sony and Canon cameras so you can make an informed choice. Let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about image quality. As a beginner, you want a camera that gives you great photos right out of the box. Canon is known for its warm and natural color tones, which makes it perfect for portraits and general photography. Sony offers great image quality too, with its sensors providing a wider dynamic range, especially in challenging lighting. If you like to play with post-processing, Sony's images give you more flexibility to adjust in editing. Both are fantastic choices, but Canon might feel a bit easier for beginners because its colors often look great straight from the camera. When you're just starting out, ease of use is important. Canon has been known for its user-friendly interface. The buttons are easy to find, and the menu system is simple to navigate, even if you've never picked up a camera before. Sony, while powerful, can be a little more complicated with its menu structure, especially for beginners. But don't worry, once you get used to it, Sony's customization options are great for those who want to dive deeper into settings. So if you want something easy to pick up and shoot, Canon might be the way to go. Sony offers more advanced features, but it might take a little extra time to get comfortable with. Autofocus is a huge deal for beginners, especially if you're taking photos of fast-moving subjects or recording videos. Sony has been leading the way with its fast autofocus technology. It's perfect for action shots, sports, or if you're vlogging and need to stay in focus while moving around. Canon, however, interestingly enough, gives you an option of taking photos without marking your image, or if you're vlogging and need to stay in focus while moving around. Canon, however, has excellent autofocus too, especially with its dual pixel system, which provides smooth and reliable focusing for video. This makes it a great choice for vloggers or anyone who plans on shooting video as well as photos. If autofocus is a top priority, both brands have you covered, but Sony's autofocus is a little faster and more accurate for fast action. For those of you who want to start creating videos, both Sony and Canon are great options. Canon is known for its rich color and smooth video autofocus, which is perfect for vloggers and YouTubers who want to look great on camera without worrying too much about settings. Sony has amazing video features too, especially when it comes to low light performance. If you plan to shoot in dimly lit environments, Sony will give you cleaner footage without a lot of grain. If you're focusing on video and ease of use, Canon is a solid choice. But if you need a camera that excels in all lighting conditions, Sony might be the better option. Let's talk about price. As a beginner, you probably don't want to break the bank, and both Sony and Canon have great entry-level options. Canon's Rebel series or the EOS M50 are affordable cameras that pack a lot of features into a beginner-friendly package. Sony's A6000 and the ZV-1 are also fantastic for beginners and come at a similar price point, with excellent autofocus and image quality. However, Sony can sometimes get a little pricier as you go up in their model range. Overall, both brands offer cameras in the affordable range, so you'll get great value for your money no matter which you choose. So which brand should you go for as a beginner? If you want something easy to use, great for portraits, and reliable for video, Canon is a fantastic choice. Their user-friendly designs and amazing color science make them perfect for someone just starting out in photography or videography. However, if you're looking for advanced autofocus, powerful performance, and a camera that will grow with you as you improve, Sony might be the better choice. Their cameras are packed with features and they perform well in all types of shooting situations. At the end of the day, both Sony and Canon have amazing cameras for beginners, so it really depends on what you're looking for. Which brand do you prefer and why? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more camera reviews and beginner tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.